I'm Zahir Aidenwala. I'm co-founder and CTO at Keto. So Keto is something that is really close to our hearts. We are three co-founders in Keto. Myself, Varun Sheth, who is the CEO, and Bollywood actor Kunal Kapoor, who heads the entire creative film department at Keto. My tasks at Keto primarily revolve around everything tech. I'm a techie by nature, geeky at times, and I'm taking care of everything tech at Keto. So let's begin with culture, and I think the greatest testament to how we believe the culture of Keto should be is the way I'm dressed. We all come into work wearing whatever we are most comfortable wearing, and that's what we try to imbibe in every employee at Keto. As I said, casual dressing is an absolute must. We hate people who wear shirt and pants and come because it's just uncomfortable. How do you give in your best effort if you're dressed uncomfortably, right? So it starts with that. Another thing that adds to the work culture at Keto is an average age. Our average age at Keto is 28 years old. So you can just imagine how much fun we have, right? So on Mondays, we are out doing karaoke. On Tuesdays, team lunches. Wednesdays are special ladies' nights for only the ladies at Keto. Thursday, Fridays are bar nights, but that depends on who drinks, right? And the rest of the time we do work. But when we do work, we do a lot of work. And we work Monday through Sunday. No excuses, no gimmicks, but everyone loves to do it. Hey, come on, because we're all part of this whole dynamic environment, right? So yeah, we all love working and we all love partying. So that's what Keto is all about. We are very driven by personalities as opposed to skill sets. We believe everyone comes with certain skill sets, and obviously those are honed from time to time. However, personalities are something that is ingrained in every person. So we are certainly looking at people who come in with a smile every day to office, enjoy their work, come in with the frame of mind that they're going to have a lot of fun, because it is a lot of fun to work at Keto, right? And finally, get a lot of work done, enjoy your work, reap the benefits, and voila. So the greatest testament to our excitement is the real world. Companies like Uber, like Flipkart, Amazon, these guys are obviously people look up to and are off. And something that we are really excited about is the market size. The market that Keto operates within is already at $18 billion worldwide. And this is only expected to grow year on year by 30%. So you guys are good at math. Do the math. In the next 5 years, this market size is going to be close to $50 billion. Wouldn't you want a part of that? So we really believe in the journey as opposed to the end product or the end result. And something that we've really tried to do, and one thing that we really stress upon is no bosses, no employees, everyone's the same. We all sit together on the same floor, we all eat the same food, we do the same thing. So if you guys really want to have fun while you're working and enjoy the journey to something that is going or is destined for great things, then Keto is your place to be. I think the one good quality that I have is I'm impersonable. I am a leader, not a manager. This might sound a little too pompous, but to put in very simple words, I think the only way that one can grow in today's day and age is if everyone around you grows. And if no one around you is growing, then what's the fun in growing, right? I think hand-holding and having everyone around you grow as much as you can or they can is something that has helped me achieve a lot and build a team at Keto. So come join Keto and stay super.